Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, let me show you how to swap BNB to BNB Smart Chain on Trust Wallet. So let's get started. Launch your Trust Wallet app and log in using your passcode or fingerprint. Once logged in, tap on BNB, which is BNB Beacon Chain. If you don't see it on the home page, tap the plus sign icon in the top right corner, then search for BNB. Tap on BNB Beacon chain when you find it. Next, tap on swap and then tap on swap again. You'll be taken to a page showing BNB Beacon chain. Tap the drop down arrow and select BNB Smart Chain. Enter the amount of BNB Beacon chain you want to convert to BNB Smart Chain. Tap preview, then confirm your swap on the page. And there you go. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.